What is going on, people? This is Good Filthy Rich. So, I don't have like this professional grade Instagram, YouTube cameras where you fade in, fade out, GoPro in and out, all that good stuff. You know, all this is just raw footage, I guess. So I did say while I'm at work that I am going to install a Boss 302 strut tower brace. According to American Muscle, it shouldn't take no more than half hour, but I can remember 45 minutes, but it's an 8-hour shift, so not much is going on, but I guess it's mariachi music in the background and it's Bridgeport, so sorry but not sorry, but all you guys are degenerates anyway, constantly littering the place and not giving a dang about where you live and how you upkeep it. So anyways, if you don't care about the job, why should I? So with that being said, let's make this install. Alright, so the hood is up. Now the only thing that's needed is how do you work this doohickey? Can't work it.